Hello, grade 6. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today we are going to start our 8th math session in our lesson, which is adjacent and vertically opposite angles, complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, now let's start correcting the homework. Starting with exercise number 1, from the following angles, choose those that form a pair of complementary angles, which means their sum is equal to 90 degrees, and those that form a pair of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means that their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Let's think which two angles their sum is equal to 90 degrees. O and A, because 28 plus 62 is equal to 90 degrees. They are complementary angles. Do I have other two complementary angles? Yes, C and G, because 43 plus 47 is equal to 90 degrees. They are complementary angles. Supplementary angles, let's search for two supplementary angles. U and G, because 133 plus 47 is equal to 180 degrees, and S and O, because 152 plus 28 is 180 degrees. So S and O are supplementary angles. Now exercise number 2, I have to calculate the missing measure of the angle in each of the figure. If I look at the first one, we can notice we have 3 adjacent and complementary angles because they form 90 degrees. So we can say that TOX is equal to 90 because I have a right angle and I have complementary angles. Now I want to find the measure of each angle, but if you notice I have here a dash, and here a dash. It means these three angles are equal. So XOY is equal to YOZ is equal to ZOT. Why coded? They are given. So together they are 90. So what is the measure of each one? 90 divided by 3 to give me 30 degrees. So here it's 30, here is 30, and here it's 30. Part B, I also have adjacent complementary angles, so they form a right angle. So we can say that ZAU equal to 90, it's a right angle. Now what is the measure of this one? First of all, I have these two, they are 20 and 20. UAY is equal to YAW equal to 20 degrees. They are coded, given. Okay, 3 together are 90. Here we have 40. So how to find this one? So 180 minus 20 plus 20. 90 minus 20 plus 20, it's 90 here. So 90 minus 40 to give me 50 degrees. So this measure is 50. 50 plus 20, 70 plus 20, they are 90. The last one, I have adjacent supplementary angles. So together they are equal 180 degrees. So POV is equal to 180 degrees, a straight angle. In addition, I have these two angles which are POW 75 degree and NOV equal to 25 degree given. So how can I find the measure of this angle? All of it is 180. To find this one, I subtract this one and this one from 180 degree. So WON is 180 degree minus 75 plus 25 degrees. So WON is 180 minus 100 degree to give me 80 degrees. Okay? The last exercise, which is exercise number 3, observe the following figure and I want to name two angles that are complementary. Complementary means they have equal, their sum is equal to 90 degree. Look at the figure. Which two angles their sum is 90 degree? I have here 45 and here 45. So two complementary angles are KOZ plus FOM. Why? Because 45 plus 45 equal to 90 degree. Complementary angles. Name the angle that is supplementary to KOZ. KOZ. Which one completes it to give me a straight angle? Okay, I want a straight angle. KOZ, this one. Which one completes it? If you look here, I have a straight angle, so its supplement is KOM, which completes it to give me a supplementary angle. ZOX and XOM are supplementary angles. Find the measure of ZOX. This one, they are together 180 degree, and this one is 30. How to find this one? So 180 minus 30 to give me 150 degree. So ZOX is 150 degree, this one. Now find the measure of KOF. Similarly, all of it is 180 degree. I have the measure of these two angles, which are 90. So this one is 180 minus 45 plus 45, which is 180 minus 90 to give me 90 degrees. Okay? Because ZOM is a straight angle. Okay, now we are going to explain a new idea, which is collinear points. The definition of collinear points. 3 points are collinear points if they belong to the same straight line forming a straight angle which is 180 degree. It means their sum. Okay, let's start solving the exercise. Check whether the points x, y, and z are collinear in the following figures. Collinear means they form a straight angle which is equal to 180 degree. Think, are x, y, and z collinear points? Do they form a straight angle? Add the angles. You have to add the two angles, which are, what do we have? We have here two angles. Do they make 180 degree? XYV, which is 80 degree, and VYZ 100 degree. Add the two angles. So you add 80 plus 100. Do they give us 180 degree? 80 plus 100 degree will give me 180 degrees. 180 degrees, so XYZ is 180 degree. Okay, XYV plus VYZ equal 80 plus 100 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. What does it mean? So they form a straight angle. Therefore, x, y, and z are collinear points. They form a straight angle. Okay, the second one, x, y, v, 140, VYZ 30. Add the two angles, they form 170 degrees. 140 plus 30, 170 degree. Is it a straight angle, 170? No, they don't form a straight angle. So the 2 points x, y, and z are not collinear points. Okay, and by this one we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.